One cormorant, mark me down. You trained me well.
Yeah, really well. Too well, I think. Now I'm fired.
Weather in the Faroe Islands doesn't care if you have an outdoor wedding, picnic plans, or that you flew here from halfway across the world to hunt puffins. If you're true Faroese, you'll take these setbacks in stride and focus on what you can actually control in that moment.
The first thing you do is cut the wings.
You eat that?
No, just it's easier to clean.
Oh, okay. What about chicken wings? Do you eat chicken wings?
That was plan B, if we didn't catch anything. Then the neck.
Throughout the day, the weather's only been getting worse.
Oh, wow.
Tomorrow, we'll have our last shot at tracking down the prized puffin. But for now, a bird in the hand is worth two in the open sea.
The weather wasn't so good. Horrifying, actually. But at least we have dinner.